Welcome back, guys. So we've got all the setup out of the way. Now we're finally going to get down to actually making a start on this. We're going to work on this navigation bar today. So right away we'll get straight into it. And one thing I did is just add little comments above the script and the JavaScript files, so that just so it's clear in future what I can do. And if I need to add any more CSS files or any more JavaScript files, I can keep it organized. That's how you do comments in HTML. The greater than and less than signs, exclamation points, and hyphens. Okay, so anyway, inside our body section, we're going to make a div called, and I put the closing tag on. It's going to be called, well, it's going to have a class, I should say, top_bar. Okay, this stuff will make sense to you once we apply style to it, but for now, just follow along. Make another div, and we're going to say class equals logo. Okay, inside here just put an anchor tag. The href is going to lead to index.php. Inside here just put swirl feed or whatever your website's called. Okay, so we'll save that, and now we'll make our CSS file. Okay, so get a new file and save it inside assets CSS and just call it style.css. Hit save, and we're going to style our top bar. So dot for class, top bar. Okay, and then we're going to say width is going to be 100% because we want to take up the whole page. We'll say height 40 pixels. Background color is going to be, actually we're going to take our background color from flaTUIcolors.com. If you remember that website I shown you, choose a format. We'll do hex this way. So click that, and then click on this. It will work. Okay, copied that. Let's paste that in there. We can change this as we need it. I'll say border bottom 5 pixels, solid, and I don't know, let's make it this color, this one here. So paste that in there, semicolon. Now we'll go back and see how that looks. Let's hit refresh. Nothing yet. Oh, we haven't linked the actual file. We just created that new CSS folder, but we haven't actually linked to it. So just copy this and just change this link to style.css. Okay, you need to have style.css underneath this bootstrap.css so that we'll override any bootstrap styles that we don't want. Okay, so now if we refresh it, should be blue along there and a darker blue underneath. Let's see, what do I do on the real site? So slightly lighter. Yeah, let's take this color. Let's find out what color that is. So I can do inspect element. This one, we'll take that. So that's a background color. And then we'll take this one too for the border color underneath. And I used this measurement. Okay, so copy that 0.25 EM. Okay, if you need to pause the video and just make sure you got this down correctly, or just use your own colors, whatever. Have a little play around with it. Okay, it's a little bit better now. There's our link back to the home page. That'll eventually be that right there. Send back to our CSS file now. There's a couple more lines of code we're going to do inside here. We're going to say min width equal to 1050px. Okay, and what that does is when you minimize it, that stays at 100% of the width, but it'll only get to so small before it stops being resized. So look how this one comes with me and it resizes. Eventually it will stop resizing, and it won't let me go any more than that, because if it keeps stretching, then when we take it down and down, it'll be overlapping right here. So we want to say stop resizing after a certain width. So we put that back. We'll say margin 0, 0, 10px 0, and that should apply a margin on the bottom. We might move that text down a bit. Yeah, there we go. See, it moved it down. Back to here. Display inline hyphen flex semicolon, and that's actually it for now, I think.